这儿人。
是狮子吗？
对。
哦，猜对了。
Yeah.
Hello, I'm Stella and I'm standing on the Liulichang Cultural Streets on the west side of Beijing's Tiananmen Street. If you visit Beijing, you may notice that many rooftops are decorated with green or yellow glazed tiles. So, what is glaze? Why would they use glaze on the roof? Today, I will take a city walk and find out about the glaze in Beijing. Let's go! Looking around, have you discovered that there isn't much evidence left on this street that has to do with glaze? Yet, this place was an imperial glaze kiln 700 years ago. And later, due to the construction of the outer city wall, this area was included in the city and the original factory was moved out. But the street's name was preserved and used until today. So I wonder, where did the original factory move to? Does it still fire glaze? Let's head over to the next stop and find out. Here we are now at the hometown of glaze. This is Liuliqu village in West Beijing. The official kiln at Liulichang, where we've just been, was relocated here and incorporated with this region's local glaze factory. Let's check it out. The history of glaze making in Liuliqu village dates back further than that of Liulichang Cultural Street. This place was used as the official kiln. Plus, there's a treasure trove of raw materials around the village for making high-quality glaze called ganzi. I heard the over 700-year-old official kiln in this village resumed production this year. Let's get in and see. Born and raised in Beijing, I've seen glaze tiles in multiple places but never quite understood it that much. So today I have someone to show me around. Hey, 老师您好。
君怡你好，非常欢迎。
Look at this, there are traditional Chinese elements, the dragon and phoenix on it. 老师，这个墙有什么说法吗？
我们现在看到的这个琉璃龙凤壁啊，是咱们上世纪80年代的时候，咱们厂给新加坡烧制的一套琉璃龙凤壁的备件。为什么说它是备件呢？就是因为咱们这个琉璃啊，每一次烧制并不能保证它每一窑都是100%成功的，所以像这种大型的订单，我们一般是烧一套备一套，而这一套订单呢，我们的备件也烧制的非常的精美，所以我们就把它放在这儿，作为一个咱们厂的标志性建筑了。
Okay, guys, you can have a guess where that Singapore set might be right now.
好，接下来我带你去参观一下咱们的展厅。
This place used to be the official glaze factory, crafting glaze for ancient wonders like the Forbidden City, Summer Palace, and Yuanmingyuan Park. In this hall, we can see glazed crafts from the Ming and Qing dynasties. In 2013, the kiln factory was closed due to a shrinking market and environmental concerns. Fortunately, the factory was reborn this year to meet the demands of ancient structure restoration, taking on a new identity as a colored glazed cultural creative industrial park. 老师，那咱们这个厂现在有什么变化呢？
君怡，我先给你留一个小小的悬念，一会儿呢，咱们到外面去看看，你能不能猜得到有哪些是最新的变化。
好的。老师，这些看起来像是厂房啊。
对的，咱们整个园区呢都是在过去的老厂房的基础上进行修复和改造的。那这3栋建筑呢，就是咱们过去的生产加工车间了。
那他们现在是用来做什么的呢？
现在这个区域呢，我们改造成了一个非常精美的一个西餐厅和一个很大的、非常漂亮的一个艺术空间。
哦，我看这里面好像人很多，是不是有什么活动啊？
对，今天呢刚好有一个我们名为“己兽化形记”的一个非常有意思的市集活动。
Let's check it out. There's an event happening here, and maybe we can participate in this event.
您好。
您好。Okay, so this is a game to play, and I just got this task card where there are 11 blank spaces for me to collect the stamps of the 11 rich beasts. Let's go. Hi, 你好，你是哪一个棘兽呀？
我是拥有鸟的翅膀和马的身体。 天马。
啊，你都知道了，天马。
对，天马。这个地方呢，我第一个。
你太厉害了。你好，神秘人，你是神秘人吗？
我是神秘人。
See, I found another mystery character, and I'll guess what she represents. 请问你代表的是哪一个级数呢？
我代表的是海马。
海马，你有什么特点呢？
海马是水之精灵，可在海浪中奔跑。
Oh, so she represents the seahorse. I'll see which one is the seahorse. I think that the seahorse must have a fish tail. So I guess this one 是这个吗？这个。Oh, okay. My guess was really close. I was really close to the correct answer. 那帮我盖一个呗。That was fun. I learned so much about the roof ridge beasts while playing games, so that the next time I visit the Forbidden City, I will know so much more about them. This house looks a bit different than the others. It is quite modern. 小姚老师，您在博物馆给我留的悬念是这个白房子吗？
猜对了，君一太聪明了。这个呢，就是咱们现在园区里面唯一的一栋全新的建筑，而且呢，它还有一个非常好听的名字，叫“献给祖先的礼物”。
Entering the factory building, we can see the second floor is an exhibition area. Here, visitors can gain insights into the craftsmanship of glaze making. They also have the opportunity to observe the skilled craftsmen up close, witnessing the traditional techniques involved in glaze production. On the first floor, several large machines are connected to process raw materials through grinding and pulverizing, ultimately producing the clay that can be used for molding. These modernized machines, compared to traditional manual methods, significantly enhance efficiency. Wow, look at these colored glaze exhibits. So exquisite. I'd like to make one myself. 老师您好啊，今天非常荣幸能跟您一起来学习这个捏制这个陶土。This is a lotus pattern, and I want to try make one myself. 老师，我可以自己动手试试呗？
可以。我先把那泥给你光好了再。
要先给它抹平，对吧？
抹平抹光了，它就拖出来以后纹是比较清晰的。完了再往下使点劲儿按就行。
Each glazed component undergoes 2 firing procedures. The initial step involves molding and shaping the clay mold for the glazed tile, followed by drying and glazing. It then undergoes a second firing process from material selection and grinding to glazing, kiln firing, and the kiln exit. From raw material to a finished product, the production of colored glaze takes over 2 months and involves over 20 steps. 老师，我还想问一下，就是咱们这个琉璃制品，像我做的这样一个小瓦当，做成琉璃之后，它能保存多久呢？
你要是不摔不碰的话，保存100多年没问题。这个像咱们故宫房顶上用的那些建筑用的瓦，都好几百年了，都有的都不损坏，都没事。
也是。So this one I made can be preserved for 100 years after glazing. Just think about it. It's incredible. Look, there are many kiln caves here. 老师，这些窑洞现在还在使用吗？
对的，我们看到的这2口老窑呢，是完全恢复了古法烧制，它们还在工作当中的。我们看到的这个巨大的这一套设备呢，它是环保设备，是为咱们这2口老窑服务的。
In this park, there are a total of 17 kilns. Apart from the 2 that have been restored for production, the others have been transformed into exhibition halls and cafes. If you want to get a glazed product fired from these 2 ancient kilns, you can go to the cultural creative shop within the park. Wow, I'm so amazed by the creative products of the colored glaze. Here you can see a refrigerator magnets. And also some scaled down versions of the roof ridge beasts here. Oh, and there are some glazed tiles. And even some bookmarks. And here it is also a scaled down version of the roof ridge beast. You may not be able to see it clearly if you visit the Forbidden City, but here you can observe it closely and even buy one you like. A day may not be enough to take a full tour in this park, but don't worry, there's also a glazed themed hotel here, which is very nice. Guys, today I delved into the ancient Chinese art of glaze making, and I also understood the transformation of an old kiln into a creative hub through urban renewal, where colored glaze and glazed products still get crafted. They not only preserve intangible Chinese cultural heritage, but also bring the essence of Chinese architecture into our lives today. So what else are you curious about Beijing? Tell us in the comments!